how I make the WordPress speed optimizer plugin. So this is the performance optimizer in WordPress. Let's check our website. This is the e-commerce website. We have also the product item is more than 1000. Check it and check it more than 1000 item here, and we are past case now from before in front of you. Also I am checking the speed lab. You can put it and showing you 99%. You can check page speed optimizer. This is the Google. So running analysis is working, so you can check it here how much actually real optimize score. I am showing it live to you. You can check it. Actually we are showing here the 99% score is here. So what is the actual optimize score? 87, 98. Practice this, that's SEO, but and the desktop also showing the 99%. So this is the showing the 90%. That means 99, 99, 99, and SEO score. That means here is the issue is the SEO. So you can solve it, showing actually what's the issue. So there is no link description in the product item. Just click the read more. That's why showing that's issue. This is the theme issue, so this is not our plugin issue. So you can also the ping down. So this is our actually page speed test inside. That's the Google page speed checker. Same is get 99% showing in our here also.